So here we go, round 2. This one's a little rougher than that last one. But this one gets used a whole lot more than that other one too. So all the sheet metal is beat up on this one. That's about the worst part right there. The hood's got big dents in it right there. Cover for the air cleaner's all bent up. Got a big dent in there. Yeah, a little rougher than the last one. I gotta talk to him, see what he wants to do with the seat, because this one's a little rough, as you can see. We're probably gonna end up fixing it. So the fenders are beat up pretty good. They're not rusted, they're just beat up, used and abused. Yeah, there's lots of work on these. Gotta talk to him, see what he wants to do about this and this stuff. The lights aren't even hooked up, so see what he wants to do. Lots of work on this bucket too. We're gonna go through, straighten all this stuff out. This is gonna get straightened out. Probably get in with the porta power and just push all that back up. We might do strip angle iron across the front. Just kind of clean it up, but that's getting straightened out and clean all that up and let's go through it, make it nice. There's gonna be a lot of work on this one. It's like the last one. Pull all the sheet metal off of it and start beating the dents out of it. So there it is, all stripped down. Went not too bad. This is gonna suck. There is no room in there at all. I'm hoping if I unbolt this, I can kind of let it fall out of the way. Get a little bit of room to work in there, but as you can see, all these hoses should be replaced, but whatever. Yeah, lots of room back here. Yeah, there is not a whole lot to these things. And up here, with that pipe out of the way, we got lots of room to work on that. We can get in there and straighten that out. Yeah, a lot of work on this one. So here's the hoods. You can see they're not bad. They're bent. This one's a little worse, but not bad. That's easy to fix. Fenders, however, yeah, these are a mess. Yeah, they're munched. On the one up there. The other side's not a whole lot better. Same thing. This is coming off, this is coming off. Getting rid of this. Another part for the scrap pile. He's not sure what he wants to do for lights, so all this stuff is coming off. You'll figure that out later. And then there's this thing. This thing is just mangled. Yeah, everywhere. Lots of hammering on this one. But it'll clean up. Let's get a new toolbox. This one seen better days. So all we got on this, we gotta fix that dent. This has got to get prepped. This is getting prepped. Gotta peel all these stickers off. I'd like to keep some of these, but I mean there's nothing left of them, so clean those off, get rid of that, clean all this up, and the bucket. Lots to do on this. So. And he wants to do anchor line across the top. He wants to put a plate on here so he can have a hook on either side. Just put a little doubler plate in so it's reinforced a bit. Yeah, straighten up the edges. It's not too bad. So, start on the metal work. We'll get that dent popped out. Then we'll do the bucket and then prepping and get this thing out of here. So that's the bucket done. You got the sides straightened out. They look pretty good. Top's all straightened out. Got the hooks on it like he wants. Straighten that out. Yeah, looks pretty good. So I got that all cleaned up. It's all prepped, ready to go. I unbolted the valve body here. Got it a little bit more room to work. There's just barely enough room to put that sticker on, so that's good. I got the loader arms prepped up. This stuff, and then all the flat areas, I hit it with the sander just to kind of clean it up, because you're going to notice it. But I mean, anything else, I'm just going to prep with the sandblaster, because I really have to watch my hours on this one. The budget is tight. So this thing's all stripped down and ready for a quick sandblast. Then it's time to start spraying. Get some color on this thing. Gonna be glad when this thing's done. Yeah, those tires did not want to come off. I had to take the torch, heat up the lug nuts, get them to break loose. But they're off. Ready to go for sandblast. The mowers are getting blasted tomorrow, so throw these in as well. Let Dave do it. Get them blasted and sling some paint on them. So that's it for this one. Next video, we got all the sheet metal we still got to do. Get that all straightened out and get that ready for paint. And start painting. Anyway, catch you on the next one.